In this video, I will show you how you can fix the screen flickering issue on any Samsung tablet. Now, if you're facing the screen flickering problem, first of all, just perform a force restart on your tablet. Now, to do that, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. Now, let's do this. Just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Now just keep pressing and holding both of these buttons until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. And as you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release both of the buttons. Once the force restart process is completed, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just open the control center. Then just tap on the power icon. After you open the power menu, now just tap and hold on the power off icon until you see the option for safe mode. Then just tap on safe mode and wait for a couple of seconds until your tablet enters into safe mode. Now, if you have noticed that after your tablet entered into safe mode, the screen flickering problem has been solved, then this means that this problem is being caused because of a third-party app on your tablet. Now, to fix this issue, just go to Settings, and from here just scroll down and tap on Apps. Now just scroll down and look for any app which you have installed recently and select Uninstall. Now just do that for all the apps which you have installed recently, and after you do that, then just perform a restart on your tablet to turn off safe mode. Now if this did not fix your issue, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Software Update. From here, just tap on Check for New Update. And from here, just check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your tablet. Now, after you have updated the software of your tablet, and if this also did not work, then the last thing you can do is just go back to the main settings page. And from here, just tap on General Management. On this page, just tap on Reset. And from here, just select Reset All Settings. Then tap on Reset Settings and enter your lock screen pin or pattern. After you do that, then just tap on Reset. Now by doing this, you will not delete any data of your tablet. You will just reset all the settings of your tablet in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if this also did not work, then you might have a hardware problem with your tablet. Just take your tablet to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.